Hi and welcome. Here I am. I'm going to show you what I do for daily makeup. Here's me barefaced. You can see I'm pretty red. I have rosacea. It's great. So I'm going to just put on some lip whip here real quick. I like this product. It's natural stuff. Lip whip. So first things first, I need to wear some sort of something so I can dull the redness at least, because you can see I've got a lot of redness all over my face. That's a regular daily thing. If I get emotional, if I get angry, if I yell, if I eat spicy foods, hot soup, it gets redder. Alcohol will do the same thing. So I'm going to put on some foundation. Well, it's not really foundation.
Are you doing a makeup video?
I'm trying.
Okay.
And this is more like a moisturized or a tinted moisturizer.
I'll watch you when I get dressed, okay? That's why there's no more makeup in there.
No, it's been a few days, actually, for this whole few months of quarantine. I've pretty much done my makeup one time, so this is I have to relearn how to do my own makeup, which is kind of funny. So I do this tinted moisturizer because it seems to do pretty good. And it keeps you moisturized at the same time. So that evened out a lot of my skin tone. And then I just take a quick look to make sure that my skin's not too dry. I start off being moisturized. I put on my different moisturizers before I start doing makeup. Try to make sure I have a fresh face and I've exfoliated, gotten all the dead skin cells off, because otherwise the makeup will just set into it and look all cracky and cakey and might flake off. So you start off with a nice fresh face. Oh, by the way, that was Ish. I like Ish fair skin tone. Tinted moisturizer for Ish, and I've been trying to find more of this because I actually like it. I don't do a lot of things. I'm just trying to dull the redness a little bit. Eventually I might get into more contouring and more details, but this is good enough for me right now. It's pretty bright outside, so it's kind of making the shadows work a little bit differently in here. But okay, so I take my Derma Blend, and it's the loose setting powder, and I believe it's just the original. I don't think it's any real shade, I don't know, but it looks white. But I like it to just take this, and I'll do that whatever baking type thing, I guess it's called, around my eyes. I like to let that set in right there because I like to wear eyeliner, and if I don't put that on there, then my eyeliner is more likely to run down my face, probably because of the shape of my face, and it just likes to just come down, and I can't have that, so just have the powder set in there so that way it helps keep the eyeliner in place. And then I'll just start putting it everywhere. I put a little bit extra right where my glasses are going to sit, because otherwise it's going to just wipe that right off there. Look at my powdery face, yay! But I don't really let it sit there for too long. I'm not really positive how long I'm supposed to let it bake on your face. Then I'll just take off the excess with my little, whatever kind of brush this is. Just kind of rub it in. And you can still see some redness on my face, so that's why I want to eventually get into more stuff to try to help. Okay. Powder's done. So right now my go-to is this Rose Glow from Sephora with some paint because I painted stuff. Anyway, so I don't use blush all that often, but since I haven't put makeup on in a while, I'll go ahead and I just use the same brush as the powder right now, but just kind of add some to the ends here just to make it to where I don't look like I'm too pale. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some eyeshadow now. I have this warm neutral palette, and I'm not exactly sure what brand it is, but it has a lot of colors that I like to go with. Kind of peachy, kind of earthy colors. I like to use this brush right here, which is from Pure Cosmetics, and I use mostly this end here. I'll take this lighter color here, and I'll just kind of go all over the lid.
So heavy.
Easy.
It's almost like a...
Then I like, depending on how I'm feeling, I'll go with this one or the one in the middle. I'm going to go with the middle one today. And I just kind of start at the edges here. Now I'm going to take a little bit of this darker color in the corner just to kind of shade it a little bit more. And I'll go back with
Mama?
the other end of the brush, and I'll kind of
Mommy,
just add a little bit
I
more.
want the juice. Mama, I want to make my pants into a...
And I'll just kind of, okay. I just kind of clean it off a little bit and just kind of blend it in a little bit more. Now I'm going to go and do my brows, because I do believe that a good set of brows helps to frame your face. Where's this light coming from? Okay. Maybe I should turn... Some of the ones I love to go with is Brow Wiz by Anastasia. This one's the dark brown. I'm trying to phase into a lighter one because I've been going more blonde with my hair to help hide the grays that are coming in. And so now I'm going to fill and shape my brows. I start off by kind of lining the bottom to give it the shape that I am going for. And I make sure to try to do both bottoms at the same time, so I'm trying to keep a pretty similar shape to both brows. I mean, nobody's perfect, so you're not going to have perfectly matching brows, but you want to just give it that shape that you're going for. And then I'll go to the top side and give it the shape on the top. And I'm pretty much following my natural brow line, just making it darker so people can see where it's at, because it's kind of faded on the sides of my brows. and then I go in and that's when I go in and fill these areas here a little bit. And when I'm kind of satisfied with the fill, I want to make it look more natural. So I go with my eyebrow brush, and I don't know what company this eyebrow brush is, but it's got where you could go with the brush to do a gel brow, and then it's got the thing here. So I'm just gonna brush it out, try to get the sharp lines not so sharp, especially here at the beginning, to be a little bit sharper as you go out, as the brows go out to the sides, and then do the same thing on this side. And there you have it. There's a set of brows there. Okay. So now that I've done my brows, I'm going to go in and do my eyeliner. I like to do the cat eye look. I have this Sex Kitten, and I think that's by Tarte. I don't know how you say it. Tarte. But Sex Kitten is the brand. It's got this cute little kitty right there. Meow.
I see.
Meow.
Wait,
Kitty eyes.
see.
Kitty ears. See, kitty ears. It doesn't have anything else but kitty ears. It's got cute little kitty ears. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner how I like to do it. So first I usually do the end here. And then when I'm satisfied with that line, I try to match on the other side. So I go pretty much from the corner and try to follow the path that my eye is going and go just straight out, and I go, I don't know how far that is. Is that like a quarter of an inch? Something like that. Oh shoot. Ooh. Okay, and then you try to mimic the same thing on the other side. And then you check to see if you feel like it kind of matches. You don't want to spend too much time on it because, you know, nobody's perfect, and as long as it does what it's supposed to do. And then I'll go back in and
I'll get some tissue because you need that. There you go.
got that done, and then I go back and I do some mascara. Right now I've got Ish mascara, it's black, and so I put on mascara. I don't do any curlers or anything. This is just simple day-to-day makeup. If I was going to work, this is what I would be doing. So I just go in and focus on the ends there to make it look kind of hopefully seamless where the eyeliner has gone. Get back in there. Okay, get back in there. Okay. I don't like that whole big old chunky eye look. I don't like the look of having like a big old caterpillar on my face. So I just try to do the natural but make it a little bit darker so people can see that I still have lashes here. I don't like chunks or lines or splotchy things. Okay, now I need to find my lipstick. I'll be right back. Watch out. Okay, here we are trying to finish up my simple look for today. I couldn't find my normal lipstick, so I found this set of, I think it's Ish stuff, and I'm just gonna apply my lipstick. Simple. I'm not gonna use like lip liner because I don't normally do that, but I just normally go in and use the lipstick to...
Mama, look, it's all broken.
I like the more peachy
Mama,
looks. Oh, okay, thank you. And then it's got this little sparkly lip gloss that I can use with it too, so I'm gonna see what that looks like. That's pretty.
Let me just fix this. It's just embroidered.
Okay. Simple. And for the finished look, I'm going to take my hair down. It's still a little bit wet, so I put a little bit of stuff in it to make it not so frizzy. Just add a little bit of... Here we go. Is that crooked? Now we're ready to face the day. Here we go. Alright, thank you for watching. I am trying not to say I'm trying to look at the camera. Okay. Thank you for watching, and thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please like the video and then subscribe. You can follow me on Pinterest. You can follow me on Instagram. Stop saying Don. Okay. Oh, okay. We're running out of time. So, and please keep watching, and I hope to continue to... What am I helping to do? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. You can talk now. Not... Are you dressed yet? No. Okay, go get dressed. Don't show people your... Okay.
Bye, guys.
Alright, well, thank you for watching. I look forward to making more videos. If you like the video, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe and like buttons on the bottom, and I will see you next time. Until then, bye-bye. Blah, 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 blah.